everybody, welcome back. And today we got more snacks and we got some European treats we are going to try. Today I have my dad instead of my mom. We're going to eat some weird stuff. Tape equals scissors. I'm not doing it.
Who taught you how to open a box?
Dad. Oh God.
Lord.
I got it.
If you'd have done it my way, you'd have done it sharp, pointing it towards the chest, and you just ripped it.
Dad.
I didn't say it was the right way to do it. I just said that's what you've done.
Whoa.
Oh goodness, what did you get?
So cool. Oh, we opened it the wrong way.
Yeah, you did open it the wrong way.
Oh, it has a little note that I don't feel like reading.
Is it in English? Does it tell
Oh
you?
my God, it's in English?
Does it tell you what's in the box?
Ooh.
All right, let's do a little looky-loo here.
Look it up.
Okay, stop. There we go.
Whoa, there's like little lemon thingies. Okay, so like we did last time, we're gonna do a blind thing, but we're gonna
Sounds good. Oh, look at this. Some of this looks pretty yummy.
Okay.
Ooh, I want to try that. That looks yummy.
No, we don't.
All right, let's turn it all over.
All right, Dad, close your eyes and go ahead and call. Oh, it's almost your name. Close your eyes.
I don't do too well with it.
That looks good.
Remember, you have to try it.
Okay,
It's like a chocolate wafer cookie bar.
I want to open it. Oh, there's literally even arrows on the back saying which way to open it, and I opened it the wrong way. Who cares about rules?
Snap it. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna take a bite.
I thought we were sharing.
That is thick.
You're supposed to be sharing, both of you, so give Dad a bite.
You can have the other side. I can't bite into it. See?
There.
Please don't be meant. Oh, that was easier.
What do you think? What does it taste like?
It's not bad.
Like a chocolate Nilla wafer.
Yeah, but it's
So-
also not the best. So that's on my okay side. Dad, what about yours?
The chocolate's more like a dark chocolate, not a milk
Yeah, I
chocolate.
don't like dark chocolate. All right, my turn. I want to do one of the big things. Here, let's move the big thing. We'll save bigger things for last. Jeez, you are big. Doesn't that kind of look like a Twix?
Yep, maybe it is.
It's a European Twix. Next.
Can you say that again?
European Twix.
I'm sorry. Say it again.
Twix.
European Twix.
It's literally one of your favorite candies, and you just said it wrong
Well, I
3
can't
times.
eat it anymore.
Okay.
I want to try one of these little ones.
Okay.
All right.
I would
Lime
assume.
and
I
lemon.
would assume, yeah.
You got lime.
So after a bite of chocolate, this is gonna taste awesome.
Oh.
Yep, that's lime.
Oh. Oh.
That's really tasty. I like that. I'd get a bunch of those.
What do you think?
It's good. It's on my good list. Don't eat it.
Why?
Because we were so...
You don't have to mix at the end. It's okay.
Okay, you want to try these little ones then, since you like them more? What else looks
I want to try this. I want to try
What
this.
is it?
The
Looks like a pastry. Let me see.
It's a fruit fee something with 160 calories.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Oh,
Wow,
it's soft.
that was...
Big Newton, maybe.
I don't know what it smells like.
Oh, that's good.
would have thought this stuff would have been gross. I like it so far.
All right, let me have a bite.
Kind of like not a strawberry, but a.
Let's do these. I want to try these little ones since we like the lemon and lime ones.
Well, it's a tart mixed with berries jam.
Oh, well, you like
That's
those
pretty
type of
good.
Yeah,
tarts.
it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty
There
good.
you go. Nothing happened.
No real smell. Ooh, bite it.
Watch your braces.
You get exponentially worse.
Why? What's wrong?
Bite it.
No. Watch your braces.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna go back to the cookie. Cookie's so good.
I don't like it.
All right, do this one next.
No, that's too big.
Just do this
We
one
save
next.
it for last.
No, do it
We
next.
saved it
Do it
for
next. Come
Ooh, how about
on.
the chocolate orange?
Ooh.
There's two. You each
Oh,
get one.
Sam gave me some of these ones. I thought they were disgusting, so. Can you open mine? Okay. Oh, it's wet.
Just bite
This is
into it.
wet.
It's juicy
Yeah.
because the orange.
It's a real orange slice.
It's a
covered
real
in
orange
chocolate.
slice
Oh,
covered
that's
in
good.
chocolate. Bite into it, not just the chocolate.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it's dark chocolate too.
Bite into it.
Yeah.
How's that working for you?
That chocolate is disgusting.
Yeah, not milk chocolate.
Let's try your name.
Okay.
I don't know. Chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate?
Just open it.
We're gonna get poisoned.
You're not gonna get poisoned. You're fine. The dog's giving you the stink eye though.
You're fine.
A lot of like vanilla waferish type
You-
cookies.
Well, that came out a lot easier than I thought it would. Oh! I can smell like that.
Okay.
All right. What does it smell like?
Milk chocolate.
Chocolate.
Is it good? Kind of reminds me of a Kit Kat.
Huh?
What do you think?
I think
Yeah.
I think it's actually really good.
Yeah.
Can I have your
that's it.
side?
Huh?
Can I have your half?
No.
You're eating your head.
Eat your own half.
Oh.
This
Wait,
is
I need it for later.
Yeah.
a good
So
box so
texture,
far.
These are good
What,
so far.
what about the
It was-
texture?
It was just like this guy.
Mm-hmm.
but so much better.
This is dark chocolate, and that was milk chocolate. So
Mhm.
much better.
There's like
Nice and
5 wafer things here. Wait, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think. Nope, that's cookie. 6.
All right, go to the next one.
Still like.
Oh, this is coffee.
You still like that on the pastry?
This one's coffee, and I don't really want to taste something. Yeah, you can have it.
I don't like coffee at all.
I don't either. Mama,
Just
you
try
want
it.
some coffee?
I don't know.
Huh. What was that smell? I could smell. Dad.
Yeah. That is coffee.
Where's my water?
You didn't bring
I
one.
didn't fill up my water.
Oh, I bet this is gonna be good. This
no,
is
it without me.
milk chocolate and melted caramel.
Ooh.
So this is gonna be really good, I bet.
Oh.
On
Okay.
top of a cookie.
Oh, that's.
Do you want your own?
Are there 2 of that one?
There are.
Oh, yeah.
This one's caramel.
Yeah, same as
Same
his.
as Dad's.
Oh, okay.
Open it.
Kind of like a peanut butter consistency. Where you go?
Where'd she go?
That smells good.
No.
What are you doing?
Dad barely broke it, so I'm gonna use some knife.
No, you're not going to use my good kitchen knife.
It's just a knife, Mama.
That is a Twix.
Really?
Yeah, just not completely covered in chocolate. That's good.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Don't put it back in there.
It's dirty.
Could you please activate the brain cells?
No.
I don't want everyone to stop. I don't like it. That's gross.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, go for the next one.
Yep.
I'm going in my mouth.
Could you stop spitting things out?
Oh, that I can still smell that. All right.
Pick another one.
All right, let's see.
These
Like corn chips? No.
Corn Cheetos.
No, they're peanuts.
We'll see.
Oh, that's a sticker. I thought that was the thing to pull.
Put it out on your plate so we can see it.
Smells like Cheetos.
Kind of looks like Cheetos.
Yeah.
Cheeto puffs. Cheeto.
Okay, eat it.
No. You don't know what it's like, but peanut butter Captain Crunch. That is exactly what that smells like.
Oh, the back of my teeth.
That is not what it tastes like.
Oh, that.
No. Oh.
Oh.
That one hits a little different.
Okay, we're done.
All right, so that's a no.
That
Oh.
affected.
Yeah, that
definitely.
made
I'm
my
feeling
tummy
over there,
feel
Dad.
bad.
You pick one.
Let's go with the green one there.
The
Maybe it's
Choco Freddy. Freddy.
lots of chocolate stuff in this sweets box.
Yeah,
Wonder what's in the Mexican one.
I don't know. Maybe we'll do that in a few days.
And just break it in half.
I don't know why that scared me.
Yeah, so again, it smells
Get
like the
Bite into it,
wafer.
not
thing.
just a dibble,
I did.
and then tell me what it tastes like.
I think this one's milk chocolate.
Like a hint of coffee. Yeah,
From the faces she's making, I'm gonna say it doesn't taste good.
definitely not one of those ones.
Let's see what you are. What? Feels like a donut. Oh, donuts!
Not a donut.
Not even close.
What do we got? Oh, little cookies. They look like they have jam or something in them.
I think it's chocolate.
Yep.
I got them new Oreos. Pass them over. Pass them over.
You like that one?
Little grainy,
Because I didn't eat the whole thing. Thank
but
you.
good. Like a reverse Oreo, maybe. With a little bit extra, like sugar cookie, kind of.
All right, what's the next one? Lizzie,
Huh?
Next one.
what's the next one?
Okay.
Really like that one, obviously.
These are my favorite.
Okay,
So
what's
far.
next? Go for the Pizzetti.
No. We're going to do two more than the Pizzetti.
All right.
Pizzetti.
Pizzetti.
Baked treats.
Oh, God.
Buttery crumble. So like a
It's a cookie.
just a little butter cookie.
Give me a cookie. I want a cookie.
A little
Oh, that
sugar
looks
cookie.
good.
Want one, Mom?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Smells plain. No real smell to it.
Like a shortbread?
Yeah.
So disappointing.
A little gravelly.
All right, what's next? Oh, is it time for the Pizzetti? Okay, I have high hopes on this one.
And we
I
got
can get it
the
open.
mustache cookie.
They'll open it. Oh. Okay. Don't worry, it smells amazing.
Well, it says something in garlic.
Reminds me of bagel chips. You ever eat bagel chips? Oh man, my dad and I used to love me some bagel chips. Oh, they look like
Pizzetti?
bagel chips.
Here's your Pizzetti. No, you can't have Pizzetti.
Oh, that's so good.
Mama, these will be safe for you.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the Parmesan cheese.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How about another wafer cookie?
What's that one?
Original.
Mom's grabbing her to Pizzetti.
Apparently, when the chocolate runs in this factory, it does not run over the top and bottom. It runs on the side.
But it runs through the middle.
Yep.
Oh, it's like another little wafer.
Yeah.
There's like 12 of these. Oh.
Take a bite, Lizzie.
Vanilla wafer with chocolate.
Look, let's see. Look at the middle.
Yep.
What
Let me
does
see.
it look like? The same.
Yeah.
There's literally no difference.
Let me see.
Kind of looks like, I don't want to think about what it is, but kind of looks like blue cheese.
Yeah.
It does though.
Okay.
Hey, Mama. Oh!
Bless you.
Ooh, that's gross.
I know, right?
Or maybe it's the garlic in my mouth from the Pizzetti.
Cookie butter cookies. They look like
Mini
mustaches.
cooker stash. Not cooker. Cooker. Cookies are now cookers. Oh, wait, it's upside down. Dang it. Here's your cookie mustache. You already got one, so you good.
Maybe. Cinnamon. Cinnamon
think?
crisp.
Oh, I like those.
That's a cinnamon cookie.
I like those.
Oh, very cool.
Wait.
Oh,
Aftertaste.
aftertaste. Changed your mind.
I like cinnamon.
That's true.
Let's go with these wafers in the back that we're sneaking.
Okay. What?
It's lime cream wafer.
Does it say lime cream? Oh, that sounds unfortunate.
You want to see? Look, look, look. Lime.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think we're on a little tray.
No.
Might want to open those over the table.
Oh,
All right. Well,
so here's yours.
If those were not lime, those are like my favorite gas station cookies. They're nothing but sugar.
The
Have you ever
Nilla
had
wafers.
the little Nilla,
Yeah.
Nilla sugar
no,
bar things you get at the gas station?
Uh-oh.
That's
Oh.
nasty.
It's like weird flat Sprite.
That is nasty.
Cook.
All right, let's see what we have
It's
left.
disgusting.
Don't
Ugh.
throw it at us. All right, we got these. We got one here. It has rum in it. Can I have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it gets cooked out.
Oh, okay. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are saving this for the finale.
All right.
No, let's do shortest to smallest.
No, he already grabbed one.
These hurt my mom's heart.
Yeah, because now I want gas station cookies.
Here's some more.
Oh, those look like the gum packs. Doesn't that look like gum?
It does.
Mom, I think it's mint.
It does not taste
It's
like gum.
hazelnut.
So, like Nutella,
All right.
maybe.
Oh, you can have that. You can have. There's so many wafers.
I
I hope
know,
the Mexican
apparently-
box isn't like this one.
Well, there's zero taste to the wafer.
What's inside? Hazelnut?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
All right, next one.
Got this little cookie thing.
Just imagine tomorrow when you're sitting there in class and your tummy gets the rumbles You'll know why.
Oh. Something. Okay. Wait, it says something. I don't know what that says. Lot us. The lotto. Does that mean we're gonna win the lottery?
Lotus.
Probably says Lotus.
Probably.
That makes a lot more sense than lotto.
Another good
It does.
cinnamon sugar cookie.
Oh, that's disgusting. I don't like cinnamon. That's nasty.
Yeah, that aftertaste tastes like soap.
Blech.
Yeah.
That is definitely
It
soap.
takes a second for it to say hello.
Hey.
It's like, hey, this doesn't taste too bad. Oh my God.
Yep.
All right, we got 1, 2, 3 left. Let's go.
There's another hazelnut.
You'll be all right.
Oh, I think I broke it.
It's okay.
Use
You can
scissors.
open that. Oh, scissors.
It's painful to watch you sometimes.
Use scissors. I did it. First try.
Or not.
This ain't Batman throwing a batarang.
I know, right? Are you kidding me?
Oh, first try.
Or not. Oh, yay, it's another wafer cookie.
Oh my God, it's not like we have 1,500 of those.
All right, what's this one filled with?
Oh, hazelnut. You get the big side.
Yeah, it's probably more hazelnut. It smells lemony. Chocolate lemon.
Oh, that. Oh. That.
I think it's just a bigger packaging of the last one. No.
All right,
Nope.
we got some.
A big nope.
We got some cat
You okay there?
Yep.
Mama,
Made
look.
my toes
Mama,
quiver.
look. This
Dad's
is how
over there
I'm gonna-
trying not to vomit.
Look, this is how I'm gonna pronounce this, okay? Whatever that says.
Excellent job.
I know, right?
I know what foreign language you're going to take in high school.
None.
No, you have to take one. Everyone takes one to graduate.
That's not fair. Yeah, no, those look like a piece of poo.
It's a little bag of poo.
It looks like breadcrumbs.
Looks like little bags of poo.
All right, well, let's see what we got.
Why'd you give me all those?
Oh, that's
Oh,
interesting.
that. Oh, what is that smell? What is that?
Ew, what is that?
I don't even need to taste that to know it's disgusting.
Is there any English on it?
No,
It's all English. Oh, wait, no, it's not.
no, it's not.
That is definitely not all English. I hope my teacher's not watching this.
Oh, the effort you make in life. Oh, it's fantastic. All right, let's go for the Rum Twix Bars.
Yeah, that's like mini garlic breads.
Like sourdough mix
Yeah.
or something.
Oh.
Oh
I
my
tried,
God.
okay.
Just
I
give
tried.
Just give it to your father.
No, I can do it by myself. Close enough. It's in a packet. Tell me these aren't just off-brand Twix.
They
They
do
might
look.
I swear,
They might
if
be.
they're just Twix, I'm gonna be the happiest person in the world. Give me those. Oh.
Or
So
you
unfortunate.
could poke through the plastic.
Put it on the table. Don't. That's my table.
I'm trying my hardest, Mama.
No, this is not your hardest.
Okay, I did it. That looks so cool.
Okay. Here's the finale. Just give him his own one. Okay.
Oh!
It's not a Twix.
I really wanted to do this.
You wanted it to have caramel and chew, chew. Don't throw up. Chew.
They ain't kidding when they put rum in this.
That is nasty.
But the rum cooks out, so
No.
it's just a horrible flavoring.
Oh yeah.
Millie, we can give you want to smell my breath though?
Drink some water.
Oh.
That's nasty.
All right, now to summarize this video,
Mexican, I swear that you better be better than this.
Okay.
That Mexican box better
Okay,
be
so
better.
this is the European box, right?
Yep.
So is the European treat box
Nope.
better
Nope.
or worse than the Japanese treat box?
Well, I don't know. I didn't have any of the Japanese stuff.
You had like 2. Okay.
She did share.
I definitely think that this one is 100% worse.
It is absolutely crunchier.
I only got, let's see.
It's very
One.
wafery.
Yeah. Cookie heavy.
I only got 2 that I absolutely love.
Okay.
And the lemon thing was my favorite, which is kind of
All right, so we're going with what next week?
Japanese.
No, we did that. Mexican.
I was about to say European again.
No.
We're not doing this again. We will do other things. But next week, if you stay tuned, like and subscribe, we're going to do a Mexican box of treats and yummy food. That better be yummy. And hopefully, we will get more stuff like this. So, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!